The Division of New England is an Australian electoral division in the state of New South Wales. The division was proclaimed in 1900 and was one of the original 65 divisions to be contested at the first federal election. It is named after the New England region in northern New South Wales. From 1922 to 2001, New England was usually regarded as a comfortably safe seat for the National Party, formerly the Country Party. Only one Labour candidate has ever won the seat, Frank Foster at the 1906 election and again at the 1910 election, both times on small margins. Since then, the closest Labour has come to winning the seat was in the 1943 landslide, when the country majority was pared back to an extremely marginal 1.1%. It was a marginal seat for most of the 1980s. But since the 1990s, Labour has been lucky to get 40% of the two-party vote and has frequently been pushed into third place. The seat's best-known member was Ian Sinclair, leader of the National Party from 1984 to 1989. A minister in the Mingus, Holt, McEwen, Gorton, McMahon and Fraser governments and Speaker of the Australian House of Representatives for a few months in 1998. He was succeeded by Stuart St. Clair in the 1998 election. St. Clair was then defeated in the 2001 by independent Tony Windsor, who held it until his retirement in 2013. The member since the 2013 federal election has been former Queensland Senator Barnaby Joyce, who served as Deputy Prime Minister of Australia and leader of the National Party from 2016 to 2018. Amid the 2017-18 Australian parliamentary eligibility crisis, the seat was declared vacant on the 27th of October 2017 by the High Court of Australia arising from Joyce's dual citizenship. Joyce had renounced his dual citizenship effective from August in order to become a sole citizen of Australia and was thus eligible to run for federal parliament. Joyce regained the seat at a by-election on the 2nd of December. The division is located in the northeast of New South Wales, adjoining the border with Queensland. The 66,394 square kilometres division covers a largely rural area, with agriculture the main industry. From south to north it includes the regional population centres of Scone, Tamworth, Armadale, Glen Innes, Inverell and Tenterfield. Under the original redistribution proposal in 2015, the Australian Electoral Commission announced it intended to abolish Hunter. Electors in the north of Hunter would have joined New England. Ultimately, however, the Commission opted for a less radical proposal that saw Charlton abolished. Hunter pushed eastward to absorb most of Charlton's territory, and New England absorbing a few small areas in Hunter's north. Due to changing populations, overall New South Wales lost a seat while Western Australia gained a seat. Coordinates: 30 degrees 19:08 S 151 degrees 18 minutes 54 seconds east, 30.319 degrees south 151.315 degrees east, minus 30.319. 151.315.